And
So now?
action.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Are you saying, can I do it now?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Faith, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold a boat like this. And first, we'll use one square paper instead of one rectangle paper like this. So first, we put one corner like this on the side, and then we put the on each side on a cross. Now, the fold would be cool. We would start. What was that step again? Okay, we'll look in here. And then now we will fold this across like that.
Okay.
And again like this. Next to there. Next you would fold it backwards. Now this is the really tricky step. Fold it. Now this is the tricky step. I'll kind of do this. So you pull these two back. You pull these two back and then fold it up. And do that same thing again. Now, you go to the top and then you open it to there. You make one boat, but now, if you want to make a crab, you can also do these kind of folds. Backward every time. So like that. Now what do we say at the end again?
Thank you.
Thank you for watching and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
If you want to see.
If you want to see more folding videos or yeah.
Great.